actually do. Replacing the single pole switch on the wall, you place everything back exactly as you found it, and you should be fine. Get the power off at the circuit breaker. Get the little plastic covering off. And this had two switches, only one that was having a problem. It was really loose. So as I disassembled it, it just fell apart. Wasn't any good. The black wire at the top and the white wire at the bottom. And it only had one side. Place it exactly how you found it, and you should be fine. This one, on the old switch, the wires plugged in the back. So I just managed to wiggle them out of the structure there, and took my needle nose pliers and bent them toward where the screw turns so they would stay in place. Simply reinsert them, tighten them up, and remounted the switch, put the plate back on, and it was over. And the light worked fine. It was like 1, 2, 3. How simple can you get? The rest of it to replacing a single pole switch on the wall.